Yeah, the stream should be live now, I guess.
Yep. Let's go, buddy.
How are you
Let's
feeling
go.
today? What's that you're drinking?
Oh, it's just
Iced
some black currant. Nah, black currant, bro.
Black
Water and black currant. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So yesterday was a bit of a shit day in the markets, but it provided a lot of opportunity. So let's shall I share my screen?
Yeah, put it up there so I can switch between them.
Okay. Okay, so what we're going to look at first.
Link is a beast, though.
Yeah, bruv, don't. Link's pissing me off thinking about it. Right. So
You're on the stream now.
Yeah. So basically, what we're going to do is I'll cover Bitcoin first. So Bitcoin is just in price discovery mode. Yeah. Long term is going up, but right about now, personally, I think Bitcoin is just going to do this. So I think it could just do this, something like that. But even if Bitcoin continues to go up, I think it's going to go up at a slower rate than the altcoins. So altcoins are going to take dominance now. So the altcoins are what we need to look at. Bitcoin was obviously the mother, and it was leading the pack. But now we're at a crucial stage where it's about to flip, and altcoins are going to take the lead. You know?
Yeah, probably. It looks like looks like that. Like you can see even the moves today, like suggest that, because I don't know how much Bitcoin has moved since the daily. Yeah, it's a 5% move in Bitcoin today, and you like have Link outperforming, ZRX outperforming, Litecoin, Ethereum, DOT, RSR. Everybody outperforms Bitcoin today versus dollar. So maybe this is the start of alt season. Like today is.
Like, it is. I don't know if I told you. I don't know if I showed you guys yesterday. Guys, if you're watching this, obviously on YouTube after, then I've been talking about this for a while. This is basically what we're waiting for. This is what we're waiting for right here. Yeah. So this is Ethereum Bitcoin. As I've said many times before, Ethereum is the altcoin index. So it's like the S&P. It's like the FTSE 100 of fucking crypto, of altcoins. So once Ethereum takes the lead, altcoins will go crazy. So this is what we're waiting on right now. So we've got this nice push up. What we want is that move there, probably come back down and then go. And then that's it. We're out and we're gone. That's when altcoins start to go crazy. So that is, in theory, what we're currently waiting on. There were some good moves yesterday, some nice moves. I did have this level mapped out yesterday. This is a trade that I took, Atom. I didn't buy it with leverage. I actually got stopped out yesterday as well.
You told me.
Yeah, I got stopped out. I got stopped out of Ethereum. Fucking pissed me off. I'll show you in a minute. But anyway, this is what I had. So if you've been following us for a while, or you're in the Discord group, you will know that what we do, we wait for a breach of structure. So there's a structure. We wait for a breach, everyone to start selling, all the stop losses to get taken. Obviously, you've got people that are in leverage positions. They've got stop losses underneath here. Price will come down, take them out, and then we'll go, yeah? So I took a position off here last night, and that's it. But it was a spot position. It wasn't a leverage because I got a bit pissed off of it. But yeah, so I'm in that Atom. Good project. It's up. How much is it up today? It's up 14%, which is nice. So this is a good project. So I'm expecting this to just go to new highs. Simple. I'm still waiting. I'll tell you what I am waiting on. The coin that I'm in the most is VET. This thing here. Been in this for 2 fucking weeks, bro. I've been waiting for it. It's still not. Actually, it has. I'm being greedy. It has broke out. But look, I'm just waiting for price to break through here, because at the moment it's still underneath structure. Yeah. So as soon as it breaks through, that's it. It's basically alt season. So at the moment, everything, all your favorite coins will be underneath support. underneath structure. And then obviously once that structure breaks, we'll be going to new all-time highs. A coin that I've got into, a project that I started to love, is Link. Like everyone was going on about Link. I respected it, but I didn't really do my homework. But now I'm looking at it, I'm seeing all these hedge funds and stuff, BlackRock are getting involved in it. And I'm thinking, oh, Link. And it's proven time and time again just to be the strongest. It corrects the least, yeah, and it goes up the most. Like every Bitcoin's going 30% down. Look, this thing is going 15.
Yeah.
And it's already recovered, you know? This thing dropped. It's recovered within 2 days. So Link is going to be like one of the main ones. I think after this next bull run, not the bull run, but after the next rally. So let's say we get a rally. We're going to get a rally next week, a nice big rally. After that, I'm going to take some profits. And when everything starts to pull back, I think I'm just going to trade Link and DOT and probably Rune as well. So what about you, Joe? What are you getting in?
Yeah, I'm in Snacks. So I like that synthetic network token. I really dig that project. We've been talking about that before as well, I think.
Yeah. I know about that. It's just it's like it's like derivatives, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
So you can basically trade any project. You can trade any project, but you don't have to actually own it. So it's like futures a little bit.
Yeah, a bit.
So on there, do you know what's good about that project? Do you know what's good on there? You can trade everything. You can trade stocks, bonds, everything. So if you want to trade Tesla on there, you can trade it.
Yeah, you can. And
yeah. I'm actually going to get an account. I'm actually going to get an account on there because you can trade stocks, which is what I'm going to be looking to do pretty soon. Not now, but at some stage I'm going to be looking to trade stocks on there. So I'm going to open an account.
I think it's a really good project, and I really like it. And I have like big. I found it a bit late. I have like 3 positions I've taken it. The first entry was like at I think it was some like start of this year at $8.50, and I bought some more at like just a week ago at like 15, and then obviously it went down a lot yesterday. And to yesterday as well, I got in at 12.3, I guess. So I had some more.
Yeah,
it actually had a big drop yesterday. So the bar from yesterday was like a 24% drop.
correction.
But then again, today it outperforms Bitcoin, like everything all alts are doing.
Yeah, I think you said you're putting some more money in, right, Joe? So I think this is a good time. I think it might even happen this weekend. That's how bad
it could be a good run this weekend.
It might even happen this weekend, to be honest with you.
And another thing that's kind of important, I think that's people like we get afraid when like the dump is coming. Like yesterday, people get like all anxiety and stuff like that. This is gonna drop like 2017 or 18 again. Is it gonna have the same scenario over and over again? And like start pulling out their money and getting afraid. Well, when you're in this game, I think it's important to know that if you want a day that you can do 15%, 20%, you also got to accept the other side of it to be down 20%.
Yeah, exactly. You can't. You cannot. It's like talking about a day. So if an alien landed on space on Earth and he was talking about days, and it's like, we've got 24 hours in a day, and then it's like you talking about the day and not mentioning night as well. So it's light some of the time, but then the other half is dark. You can't explain one without the other, you know? They're like in tandem. So what allows us to make such gains is the fact that it corrects. So the volatility is like a double-edged sword. So it can be like the gift and the curse.
Yeah, it can.
It's a gift and the curse. So it's just something you just need to embrace. It's just something you need to embrace. And also, what was I going to say? Something that can help you if you're not active on the charts. If you're not active, something that can help you is like just zoom out. So look, if I show you, is my screen on, Joe?
Yeah, it's your screen.
Yeah. So if you zoom out, look, you're in the weekly, yeah.
Yeah.
So there's no reason to be afraid. Absolutely no reason to be afraid of what's going on. Do you know?
There's no reason.
There's no reason to be afraid. I've got some tools that I was showing you yesterday.
Yeah.
There's some models and some people that have made indicators, and they've made a lot of like projections and stuff based on like idle addresses, unspent transactions. They're kind of tracking how many Bitcoin people have got in their wallets, and by looking at all this data and seeing how long they've held for, they can sort of predict where the actual market is going. I don't know if I can share it though. What the fuck? Let me see if I can share it. Yeah. One sec. Let me just see.
Yeah, and actually, the thing we talked about yesterday, like after the stream, like during the evening when we were speaking, was that actually we, as some of you guys know that have been watching, that we trade predominantly with shitcoins versus Bitcoin. Like we trade every altcoins versus Bitcoin. And what happened yesterday was that when Bitcoin is dropping, and you have, let's say, my other portfolio now is RSR, SIL, and VET is what I got pretty heavily in those three. And then when SIL and VET is not dropping that hard against Bitcoin, so SIL versus Bitcoin is going up, and then Bitcoin is going down. Actually, what you do is you get even more BTC. And then when price starts to go up again, and then still if, and then when you get a day like today when RSR and SIL and VET is outperforming the Bitcoin again, you actually have more Bitcoin and you have a higher value. So
exactly. That's effectively what you're aiming for. You want to get more Bitcoin, obviously more dollars, but Bitcoin is the daddy. So what you want to do is accumulate more Bitcoin, because we know in the end, Bitcoin is the one that's going to go up, and it will go up first. So while you got to remember, let's say you're accumulating Bitcoin, whilst all your altcoins were asleep, fucking a year ago, Bitcoin was going up.
Yeah.
Bitcoin was going up and everything else was just sitting there doing fuck all. But Joe, can you see my screen? Is my screen on now?
No, it's just me, the beautiful faces of you and me. I'll add it to the stream.
Can I not share my screen?
You have it now.
What's that? Can you see the chart?
I can see the chart, yeah.
Yeah, all right, cool. So guys, this is basically for those of you that are watching, if you are just wanted to know about Bitcoin, this is a website. It's called lookintobitcoin.com, and you just on the top right, you can just go to charts. Yeah, this is a stock to flow model. So it basically shows the price of Bitcoin. It's got a 200-week moving average on there, and it's got the percentage of monthly increase of 200 a week moving average. So basically, and also it's got the time until the next halving. I think. I don't know if this is the exact one. 1 second. I don't know if this is the right one. Yeah, it is. This is the right one. But anyway, so what we're looking at here, this is where Bitcoin started to go back in 2012. Yeah, goes up. Once it starts getting red, that's when you need to start looking at coming out. So look, again, Bitcoin started to go in the next year, went red. Then what happened? It dropped. Blue. When it's blue, this is when you need to be accumulating the Bitcoin. So you need to buy when it's blue. Yeah. That's when you buy. Boom, price discovery. This is 2017 when I found out about everything. Boom, what happened? Price went up. Red dropped. So look where we are now. Oh shit. Fuck's sake. Look where we are now.
Yeah, we're not red yet.
No, so really and truly, we're here. Yeah. We're here. So we've got a long way to go up. And as soon as it starts to get orange, as soon as it goes red, even red, that's probably too late. Once it's orange, you need to start implementing some sort of risk management and sort of tighten up. But I'll show you another. Okay, that's it. Okay, no, that's not it. That's not fucking it. Which is it? Oh, that's not this one either. Okay, so this is the one. So we've got this one as well. This is like a logarithmic growth. So this is basically just it's like a trend line kind of thing, but it shows you, and it does work. It shows you like the top of Bitcoin. It's not going to be exact, but you can see where Bitcoin's going. So it's going to go over 100K. Yeah. And if you look at the bottom here, you'll see this oscillator right at the bottom. We're not even halfway there yet. Yeah. So we literally need to go all the way to the top of here. Once it gets to the top of here, that's when you need to start thinking shit. So no one needs to worry about coming out of Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever. All you do is buy the dip until that price goes up there, and that is there. Buy the dip. That's all that matters. That's all that matters right now.
And it's like I see people like throwing around the crazy big targets for BTC, like. But I don't want to get into that game.
Like what? Like what?
Now I've seen it throwing around like 150, 160, 250, like, but I don't even want to get into it. But
yeah, it's fucking waste of time.
If you're asking me, is there more upside? My answer is yes.
Yeah.
But are we talking 60K, 100K, or 150? Man, I don't know. And I probably don't want to be the guy who try to tell people what it is.
If you look at this is the stock to flow model. Yeah. So this is the Bitcoin price along here. Yeah. Along here, you've got stock flow, which is the 365-day average. Then along this side, the color is, that's the days until the next halving. So the last halving was in May, and it's usually 18 months to 24 months after the halving is when the top kicks in. So the last halving would have been there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Would have been there. It was in May. Remember I told you? And then that's it. So it's going to come all the way up here. Once it starts to get green.
Yeah.
That's when we come out. So that's a good indicator of the top. So we don't need to worry about the top of Bitcoin or any shit like that. All we need to do is worry about worry about buying the dips. That's it for now. We don't need to worry about the top, if the top's in or whatever.
Yeah, so the dips will come.
Yeah, the dips are going to come. Yeah, so this is another little beast here. Look at Link. Fucking powerful, man.
Yeah, it is.
Link, powerful. Look, it came back. We actually posted this in our group as well, the Discord group. Guys, if you're watching, we've got a free Discord group. Click the link in there. It's in the description somewhere in the comments or somewhere like that. Click the link in the Discord. Get in there. You can share the link with whoever.
For now.
Yeah. Is it an infinity link, Joe? So it's valid forever, yeah?
No, it's valid for 24 hours. So if you're watching this like later than 24 hours and the link is too old, then you just send us a message on either YouTube or on YouTube, and I'll answer and send you an invite link.
Yeah. In future, what we do is we'll just put the infinity link on there. We can just leave it on there.
Yeah, probably we can do that.
Yeah, there's no point in being 24 hours because it doesn't make sense. But yeah, so just put the link in there, and then it'll just be, you can share it with whoever, because obviously if you got the link and it's expired, you can't share it. But yeah, get in our group. We're sharing setups in there, Bitcoin setups, stock setups, a lot of crypto stuff in there, a lot of leverage crypto trading as well. People are making some decent money on leverage trades as well. So definitely get in the Discord group. Make sure you share the channel, like it, subscribe, and obviously we're trying to stream at least once every 3-4 times a week at the moment. So
at the moment we'll do that.
Yeah, we're getting into it. One sec. All right, what are we looking at now? Ethereum.
Yeah, I had a guy asking me like who just joined this space, like started to trade in cryptos. I've been speaking to him inside Discord for a bit, and he got some Bitcoins today, so that was actually good. Like to buy the dip today, and he said, I also want to get RSR you both spoke about on the live chat the other day. I need some good advice though. So, we've been speaking about that right about now. You probably can't fail an investment if you go for one of the the powerful powerful altcoins like Link.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, if
RSR.
you're buying, if you're buying anything, Link, RSR, Dot, all of these projects are good. They're all going to do well. I think if you just want to get in one project, just get in Link, something like that. This was a good trade. I had this mapped out.
Yeah, I'll share it
yesterday. Oh shit.
So guys, if you're watching now or if you're watching later, if you have some questions now, just feel free to ask.
Yeah. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask. Put the there's a link in the bio anyway. So if you're watching this later and you've got any questions and you just want to get in the Discord, then my Twitter's in there on the stream. And get in the Discord. If the link doesn't work, then it's expired. So just wait until the next one or send us a message. But in future, we're going to put an infinity link on there, so it won't ever expire.
You just have to find out how I do that.
Yeah, I know how to do it. I've done it today already.
Oh, you've done it. Oh, perfect.
I can actually send you the link now if you want. One sec.
I can actually post it in the chat here.
Yeah, I'll do it now. One sec.
But yeah, link is pretty powerful, and you can see that we were talking about that yesterday, like that $20 zone in link. I don't know if you can show the people that.
One sec. Generate new link. Oh, cool. One sec. Sorry, show them what?
The $20 zone in link. That's pretty good as resistance. We fell to, I think the low yesterday was what is it? Yeah, almost $17. So.
Oh, sorry. What am I showing? Link.
A link, yeah.
Yeah, Link. Link USD.
Yeah.
Look, Link's very powerful. Look, even against Bitcoin, look at it. It's performing a lot. Like all coin season, guys, is fully here. Look, you even got the wick. This weekly wick is just been filled. So don't be surprised if you just see this push up here over the weekend. Like Link is very, very powerful. Let me show you the retest that we're talking about. One sec. Okay, right.
Probably need to head down to daily or something like that.
Yeah.
Highs from the summer like flew through, and it's been tested at least 3 or 4 times already. We dipped below yesterday, but
so literally price just fell into the highs, the previous highs from back in Jan a few days ago.
Yeah,
and it just flew off here, and it's up already. Even today, it's up 20%, man. This is very strong, man. This is a good project. I think after this little push up, I'm only trading Link and Dot. Like, I'm not trading anything else. I'm just going to trade Link and Dot.
Yeah,
because they're the most powerful. You can tell. Look, and it painted a little flag. Took out the stop. Oh shit! Took out the stops. Yeah. Now it's just going to go. So we've got the same sort of thing with RSR. I've been sitting in this guy. I've been in this project for fucking ages, and it's just been messing about. But now it looks like it's going to go. So one sec.
Yeah, and this I think for me $20 is a good buy in Link. Pretty good.
Yeah,
and it has soon felt like taking out the highs from yesterday where it opened and just dropped. So that's a pretty good sign.
Yeah, and you know that this is going to push up now because it's gone up here. It's made a low. It's gone up there. It hasn't broke the high. It's come down, tagged that low, and now it's just going to go up. So I think over the next 2 or 3 days, we're going to see some big moves. So if you've got any money sitting about, you should probably get in some projects.
This could be a good time. Like the best time would have been like late yesterday, but I think this could be a really good time to get in.
Yeah, I mean, don't forget, guys, if we're looking at the bigger picture, that it's fine to get in whenever. You don't need to time it. You got to remember that we're traders as well, so we're looking for the perfect entry. But if you're just someone who's got $5,000 and you want to make money, you can buy it at any time now. It doesn't matter when you get in. Just buy it, hold it. That's what you need to do. Keep watching the videos. We'll tell you when we're going to get out, and just hold it. It's the same pattern playing out time and time again. Look, so this is a ZIL Bitcoin. I'm into it. I'm in this with a leverage position. So we had price. One sec. We had price come into like this descending pattern here. Blew out, came back. I bought it when it was in here. Went in a bit of drawdown. Now it's shot out, pulled back, and now this is going to go to the moon again. So I've got a leverage position in that, which should be pretty damn good. So ZIL, that's a good position. If you look at it compared to the dollar, it's about to do the same thing. It's going to break out. It's going to break out. So this is a decent setup. One a pair that I've added to my. I was doing some research this morning and looking at some DeFi projects. So I don't know if you guys are aware, but I don't trade anything that's not on Binance. Reason being, all these other brokerages, you just can't trust them right now. Yeah, Binance is the solid, secure one. Coinbase, you can trust it, but they're just too iffy. So I use Binance. If it's not on Binance, I won't bother. Just for like logistical purposes as well, moving stuff about. I don't like it. I just like to have my money in Binance and just do my stuff inside there. So I kind of went to, on the side, on the market tab, I went to, I clicked DeFi. So I thought, oh, let me have a look at what DeFi projects there are. Obviously, you got RSR, Linked DeFi, RSR, looking at these. And I found Rune.
Yeah, we were talking about that yesterday.
Yeah, I
haven't been able to look into it, but yeah, you can talk more.
Probably. Yeah, I started doing some research on it, and it looks good. Reason being is there's people that are staking Rune, so you can fucking buy Rune, stake it, and people are making 1% a week. They're making 1% a week.
Yeah.
So you can put your money into Rune and make 52% a year right now on Rune, on that. I think it's called Thorchain, something like that. And I thought, oh, that's a lot of money. So basically, I'm getting in it. I'm going to trade that because everyone's going to be staking their money with that. Like, look at it. Look how it's moving. Look how powerful that is. It's got so much power, and it's only $2. And if they're giving out 52% a year, they're going to get that's going to go up a lot. That's going to go up a lot. Like me personally, let's say you had 100. Let's say you had 100 grand, 200, 300 grand. You don't want to put your money in the bank. I'd rather store it with Rune in there. If you're going to get 1% a week, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, but then again, you were saying 52% a year, but it's actually it's going to get a lot more than that because you have the power of compounding. Again.
Yeah, you have the power. You have the power of compounding, and obviously your Rune tokens are going up as well. You know, so
I'll just calculate that pretty quickly. I can't do that math in my head, but let's say you have 10 grand and you put that in Rune and you return 1% a week. Let's say.
Yeah, it's 50% a year, so it's 5 grand in a year. You're gonna get half of it in a year, so it's 5 grand in a year. If it doesn't compound, that's if it doesn't compound. But on top of that, the Rune that you put in there for 10k, that might fucking 10x in value as well.
Yeah.
So you can end up putting 10 grand in, and end up with like 150.
And it's actually 67% you get for the compounding. And if you're talking 67%, that's like more than the good hedge funds perform on a yearly basis.
Yeah, exactly. That's why it's so powerful. So Rune, I'm even moving it up my list because Rune is a fucking godsend, mate. I'm gonna start trading that soon. I just want to look at it against Bitcoin and see how it's performing. Yeah, no, this is RSL. Yeah, look at that. Come on, man. Look at that. Fucking, that's crazy, bro. I'm gonna start trading this big project. This is already broken out. So yeah, these are the new markets I'm gonna be trading. This is it now. I'm not gonna trade anything that's not on here. Vet is my biggest holding at the moment, and this is about to break out. Thank fuck for that. I've been holding this for 2 fucking weeks. 2 weeks, and it's just gone up and down and up and down. It's not done anything. But now it's pushing up, so hopefully we'll see what happens. I don't know if anyone's new to this sort of crypto market. This isn't like Forex or stocks. Like these markets will move on a Saturday. On a Saturday, they will move. So Honestly, you can be out on a Saturday night checking your portfolio, just going up.
And you have to take 2 pints, and you make like $500. That's nice.
Yeah, I know. It's mad. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, guys, just want to just remind you that me and Joe, what we do is we also develop trading algorithms, trading models. We've got a Forex one at the moment, a few Forex ones, and we've got some that we're making now, some crypto algorithms. So if you get into our group, did you put the link in there, Joe?
Yeah, the link is on YouTube. The YouTube under the YouTube comment section there, or the description or whatever.
Yeah. The one I just sent you now. You put that one on there.
No yet. Sorry, I'm gonna add that to the.
Yeah, do that now. Yeah. So anyway, there's a link on there that we've just Joe's gonna post right now. It's the link to our Discord. It doesn't expire, so you can share it with everyone. It's valid forever. Share that link. Once you join the group, you can. There's a section on there called Premium Trading Algorithm. So once you click that section, our log details are there for our account. Read only. Obviously, you can't do anything. It's a demo account, but just to show you a lot how the algorithm works. So once you download MT4, the app, to your phone, go into our Discord. In our Discord, go to the premium trading algorithm category. Once you go in there, go to at the top. It's a pinned message, and you've got the login details. You can log into our system, and you can see our algorithm in action. You can see how it works. It's quite good. It's amazing. So we spent some months working on that, about 6 to 9 months, and it makes about, depending on your risk appetite, it makes between 5 and 10% a month. So I mean, between 5 and 10% a month is good gain. So I'd advise any of you, if you want to sort of make some passive income and you've got any money sitting there, definitely put it into putting it into our algorithm. It's decent. You make 10% a month. Maximum drawdowns about 6%, 7%, something like that. And we don't make any money unless you make money. So any profits you make on your account, we get a percentage of that every month. So obviously, if you don't make money, we don't.
If you have money sitting around, don't let the bank have it, because we don't make enough money there. Find good solutions to invest in what you believe in. Yeah,
exactly. Don't, like, if you got money, putting it in. If I had money now, this is what I would do. If I had some spare money and I just landed on planet Earth and I just knew about this, if I had money, I'd get, let's say 100K. I'd put 50% of it in crypto, because I like a bit of risk. I put 50% in crypto, and I'd keep the rest for an algorithm, and I'd put it in there and make 10% a month. Just keep it a little bit diverse. And if I couldn't do that, I would just buy some Rune and I'll stake my Rune and I'd make 1% a week. That's what I would do. But like I said, you always have to do stuff that's sustainable as well. So it's all good having this kind of mindset of, we're gonna stake this, we're gonna make this, but no one cares about crypto when it's fucking going down for 3 years. People only care about crypto right now. Yeah. When this market is over in December, which it will be, no one's going to be talking to you about Ethereum. You'll mention Ethereum at the dinner table, and your friend will say, "I lost $7,000."
Yeah.
And no one will talk about it again. It's because it's going up that people give a shit. Yeah. When something's going down, just like it will do as well. It won't be going down for 3-4 weeks. It'll be going down for fucking 2 years till the next halving. It's 2023, I think. Yeah.
2024. March the 11th.
Yeah.
So it's actually 3 years until 3 years now. More than that.
2024 is the next halving. So after this bull run, when the market's bearish, no one's going to care about crypto. No one. You won't be able to talk to anyone about it, because all they're going to say is, that Bitcoin shit, mate. It went from 150 grand down to fucking 40 grand. No one's going to give a shit. So you got to think of other streams of income you can make from outside that. So what we're working on at the moment, We've got a forex algorithm that will work regardless of the market. No matter what's going on in the world, that will work. The one that we just told you about. And we're also working on some crypto algos. So also they're going to make money going up. More importantly, when the market's going down, the market goes down more than it does up. So when the market's going down for the next 3 years, 22, 23, and 24, we're still going to be making money. So let's say, for instance, we take out 100K after this bull run, boom, it will stay in our Binance account. We'll connect our algorithm and we'll start trading short Bitcoin futures. And that's it. We'll be trading Bitcoin futures all the way down and just accumulating more Bitcoin. And that's basically what we're going to be doing. That's basically what we're going to be doing. So obviously, just make sure you've got some clear goals set out. It's not a case of just buy as much Bitcoin as I can, make as much money, because you can be sitting there. I know people that have made 50 grand from crypto, and it's just a gamble at the end of the day. They've made money, and then after it, they're just going back to work, just going to a shit job that they don't even want to do because they don't know how to make money. You need to know how to make money. This is not sustainable. This is just like a once in a lifetime thing. Once it's done, you need to find a way to still be putting in money and putting in gains. So whether it's an algorithm, whether you're trading active, whether you're trading stocks, just understand that this is not a given and this is not sustainable. This is just a 6 month, this is a 9 month thing that will come to an end.
And this is still early.
Yeah, and we're still early. But there'll be many waves and many peaks and troughs, but just don't get excited and put all your money into it.
What you could do is go back to like summer of 17 and like just on BTC USD and like just look at how actually price moved during the summer and like into December when price really started to rally. So we can go back to yes, is that 17?
Yeah.
July. So yeah, that's the first that's the leg up, but go like back to June. There was the price. Now that's 16.
June 17 is here.
Yeah. Look at how big drops you actually have on the way up there to 20K. That was actually a big bull run. So it's a lot of 20% corrections, 30% corrections all the way.
Yeah, that's like a 40% correction on the way back, on the way down. Then you've got another one here. That's another 38% correction. So you do get them. You do get a lot of corrections all the way up. You get a lot of corrections. So here, we've just had another one. Look, up there. Do you know what I'm saying? So you get, that's not 20%. Fucking hell.
You have even like the big talking point in the stock market has really been the Tesla stock this year. Like it went from like, I think it was like $90 at the start of the year. And
bro, Tesla's like a crypto.
Yeah, it is.
It's like crypto. Let me show you.
That as well has like pulled back like 20%, 10%.
Tesla's like crypto, bro. Look at Tesla. Look at Tesla, bro. Like May 2019, it was £30, bro. $30.
Yeah,
it's gone up. It's gone up like 2,000%. It's crazy.
$30 would be like £7 or something like that. Shit, US dollar. Nah, just kidding.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the dollar's getting weak now. I'll show you the dollar as well. Look at this. The dollar is in for shit. Americans don't want to admit it, yeah? Americans don't want to admit the dollar is shit, but let me show you. Look at that.
Yeah.
The dollar is coming down here, mate. That's where the dollar's that's what's happening to the dollar. If you speak to an American, they don't want to admit it. They're like, nah. But look, bro, it's just all patterns playing out. I don't give a shit what anyone says. This thing will carry on and go like that, go like this, go like that, and come down there. And it'll be going down for the next fucking 5 years, something like that. So the dollar...
Like back in 2010 there, how much dollars did you get for £1? Did you get like 2?
Yeah, you would have got $2 to the pound here. What, here?
Yeah.
Here, when the dollar was weak, you would have got $2 to the pound.
Yeah.
2008. Look, I'll show you. So look here. This is when the dollar was weak.
Yeah.
Look, so you would have got 1 sec. $2 to the pound was up here. 2007. 2007, yeah? You've got $2 to the pound. Now, those days are going to come back. Price will come back up there. So you'll get.
I remember those days. It's the same against the Norwegian currency as well. I remember I think I was like 22, 23 around that time. So remember it so well. Like you could like shop on eBay and stuff like that and get things for almost free.
Yeah, bro. This back in the day, everyone used to go to America shopping because it was so cheap. Everyone was like, "Yeah, it's cheap, it's cheap." So look, this is gonna do this same thing. Back up there. Give it another 5 years or something. Price will be up there. The pound will be strong against the dollar. Dollar's going to shit. So that is what's basically going on. Let's have a look at. Next time we do this, guys, I've got some stocks. I'll show you some. I've got some stocks. Some what's it called? Psychedelic stocks. So in America, so in Canada now, what they're doing is they're using in Canada right now they're using MDMA, psilocybin, and ketamine. They're actually using it in treatment now. So they're kind of trialing it, and a lot of companies are going public. So they're using like the active ingredient from mushrooms, magic mushrooms, which is psilocybin, and they're using that to treat people for trauma, PTSD, depression, anxiety, all that type of stuff. And it's going crazy, bro. It's an emerging market, and some of the figures that I've seen are crazy. What I'll do is this weekend I'll go over some of the markets, and then next time we come live on Monday or whatever day, I'll show you some of the setups we've got. Some of these stocks, man, they're fucking going nuts. So yeah, man, that's an emerging market right now to get into is psychedelics. A lot of money in psychedelics now. That's the big thing. And it's a good thing because it's going to help people as well. There's a lot of people that just get prescribed bullshit medicine and whatever, and it's like
it makes it even worse.
It makes it even worse. A mushroom. If you do magic mushrooms and you're right in your mind, it can help you. And I think they know that as well. So I think that's basically what's coming next.
Like a lot of like the medicine that's like prescribed and like that people take is like synthetic made, so they make it out of stuff that doesn't exist. But like
exactly,
this stuff is like it's in the nature, and people have known about this, I guess, for a long time. It traces a long time, like to the Mayans and everything in the South America.
Yeah, it's also I don't know what it is, but it's always Canada that are like at the forefront of it. So I remember when they were doing cannabis, there was Canada are at the forefront about the cannabis revolution. They've got all like public cannabis companies. They're all in Canada, and then they're doing it. It's the same with psychedelics. It's all about Canada again. It's like Canada are like very progressive, man. I like it. It's a good idea.
It's cool. And you have cannabis stocks as well. Like, is it CGC or something like that? I don't know where it's at.
Was it CBD?
Like Canopy Growth, I think.
What's it called?
Canopy Growth. Like, I think the ticker is CGC. If you can take that one up. I think we've done something on it.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is it? What's it? Oh, yeah. I've looked at it before. What's this? This is a cannabis company.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're doing well, bro. Canopy Growth. I've never even. Let me have a look. I can't remember looking at it. One sec. Canopy Growth, weed stock. Yeah.
You posted that on Discord before Christmas or something like that. So then the price was 26, I guess. How much is it now? 33. Yeah.
Yeah, cannabis stocks are huge, bro. bro, owning cannabis stock, yeah, it's like owning a pharmaceutical company. But that's what it is, because their market is medicine, and it's going to go up. Like it's absolutely crazy, some of the growth on this shit, man. You can make a lot of money. You can make a lot of money in this cannabis industry and psychedelics as well. Also, what people are investing in at the moment is hydrogen.
Yeah,
so
and
storage. Yeah. So at the moment, what's happening is there's a big shift in like consciousness, and everyone's sort of trying to be green. They're trying to be green and health, sort of like they're trying to be like, they're just trying to be green, basically. Yeah. And not be wasteful. So what they're doing is everyone's got a boiler in their house that obviously creates heat. But the thing is, when that burns, it creates carbon monoxide, and it's dangerous for the environment. So what they're doing is everyone's trying to be environmentally friendly. So what they're going to start using now, instead of using gas, when it's burnt, it's obviously carbon monoxide. They're using hydrogen, and when that burns, the waste is just water. So that's what they're using at the moment, hydrogen. So there's a lot of hydrogen storage companies. They're making a lot of money right now. Hydrogen storage. I'll show you one of these.
Siemens Energy. Like, I think they got that big contract in Germany to build like a railroad on hydrogen. It's gone up like crazy. I think it was listed at like 19, and it went down to 18, and they got the contract. So now it's trading at 31.67. That's I'm gonna measure. Let's have a look. It's like a 70% move. So it's gonna be big. Sorry guys if we speak about like other things and then crypto. Predominantly we speak about crypto, but sometimes we'll like tend to drift off a bit. So if you have anything or like us to go back to crypto, just tell us that. Looking at this link thing, it's a different beast as well.
I'd like to think that if people are watching this, they're here to sort of just broaden their horizons and look at other options as well. So people that are into crypto,
and we're just doing it for fun. There's talking all day anyway, so we thought we could just try to live stream, but we're not any good at it, not yet, at least. Getting better.
This is I'll show you some of the stocks that I got in. These are some of the green stocks, yeah. So these are some of my stock picks. 1 second.
I'll just mute for a second and go get another coffee. Bit tired today. Thank God it's weekend soon.
So guys, this is one of the stocks that I bought last week of November. This is one of the stocks that I bought. It's a hydrogen storage company. This went mad. Look, see that? It went from $1.40 to $3.50. So it literally, it over doubles, made over 200%. That's one of the stocks I bought. That's a hydrogen storage company. This is Siemens. They used to make phones. These guys store hydrogen as well. This is one of the stocks that I bought. See, that's going up now. Beautiful. This is Bloom, another hydrogen stock. This is doing well, I think, as well. Yep. Hydrogen. This is Alibaba fucking trade. That guy went missing. That CEO went missing. So I don't know how he's going. Yeah. I think that's picking back up. So that's cool. My stop loss isn't actually there, guys. I just had to put it in. So I haven't got a stop loss. But yeah, that's that. This is solar panels. This is solar panels. So yeah, you can see that. That's flying. Taco Bell. These guys have signed a contract with Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat signed a contract with Taco Bell. So this is kind of like an environmental thing, another environmental play. So they're bringing in a substitute for meat, so for vegans and stuff. So I expect that will do well. So I bought to that. That's not really moved. But yeah, they are my stocks that I'm in at the moment. So at the moment, my whole sort of ethos, my whole trading ethos is like, I'll invest in stuff if it's like good for the environment and green. So that's basically where I'm going with it. Hydrogen storage, anything that's like good for humanity. So psychedelics, absolutely. Weed, absolutely. I love it. Electric cars, love it. All that shit.
Everything.
Yeah, everything, mate. Every fucking thing. What else are we looking at right now? So anyway, I'm looking at we're doing some stuff. I'm studying at the moment, studying something called on-chain analysis. So obviously you got
explain what that is, I think.
Yeah. I'm going to display now. So basically, if you're trading Bitcoin, a lot of people will just look at the chart, but there's a lot of other metrics that people don't know about. So I'm only into it a little bit, but on-chain analysis is like studying. So it's studying wallets. So obviously, when you're in possession of a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, or whatever, your money's in a wallet. So on-chain analysis, what it does is it's like a metric, and what it does, it analyzes all the movements of these big wallets. So you can set different parameters. So if you want to look at wallets that have got 1,000 Bitcoin in, you can watch those wallets and see what they're doing. You can see the amount of time that people held money for. So it's a common. It's a true kind of fact that the people that hold the longest, the people that have cryptocurrency in their wallet the longest, make money. The people that don't make money in crypto market have it in the shortest. They come in and out of the market, they sell, they buy. The people that are making the serious money are the ones that buy, hold it for the whole cycle, and then come out. So you can track those wallets. You can track the wallets that have moved the least. So the people that move their money the least are the ones that make all the money. You can literally watch those wallets, and you can see when they're when they're offloading. You can also look at exchanges. You can see when, so let's say we're tracking exchanges, and 1,000 Bitcoin, or not 1,000 or whatever, but a lot of Bitcoin starts to get moved from private wallets over to exchanges. It's then likely that people are moving their Bitcoin to exchanges because they want to exchange it for Tether, which means that they're basically going to dump their coin and get rid of it and sell it. So I'm looking at all that type of stuff. I'm studying it at the moment. Once I've sort of learned it, I'm going to be covering a lot of that stuff as well. A lot of it's called blockchain economics. So I'm going to be studying that probably for the next few months. Once I've started studying it and I'm a bit more proficient and stuff, I'll be talking about it a little bit on here, and then in the Discord group, I'll be doing it in there as well. I'll also bring out a course that you guys can do and to sort of understand it, because if you want to, you can literally see, I can show you data metrics.
The Ethereum one is pretty exciting now, that people are actually sending from exchanges to like hard storage.
Yeah.
Remember you told me the other day.
Oh yeah, so 2 days ago there was I was just looking at a chart, and it showed that people were sending big whales were sending Ethereum from exchanges over to their hard wallet. So if people have got 10,000 Ethereum and they're sending it off the exchange, that suggests that they want to hold they want to keep that. So that's how you know it's going to push up. If a lot of people were sending it from cold wallets to exchanges, it would be the opposite. You'd assume that they were getting rid of it and selling. So you don't obviously have to sell yours as well.
You have that chart around? Easy.
No, I haven't actually got it. I had it it's in the chat, but it's not a live chart, so I don't want to share it. It's like,
yeah,
it's just actually I can share it. One second.
I can see if I can find it. So yeah, I have it.
You got it, yeah?
Yeah, so I'll just put it up on my screen.
Yeah.
Like that. It's a bit small, but
it's too small. It's a long time shot. Can you not zoom in?
Nah, I don't think I can zoom in.
All right, well, guys. Anyway, what that shows is that's over the last few years, though, Joe. Yeah, that's a 3-year chart. But anyway,
3-year chart.
If you look at the red line, you can see at July 2020, people started to take that's when the amount of crypto ether held on exchanges started to go down. So yeah, so right there. So once that starts to go down, you know that people are taking their coins off the exchange, which means
price
will go up. Yeah, price will go up. So that's the kind of metrics that we're looking at. So we're going to. I'm just going to. I'm reading about it. I'm studying it. It's still new to me.
But it's a cool concept.
It's a cool concept. You need it.
You can do it in crypto. You don't FX world or anything like that. You can like track investments that in that way.
Yeah, and you don't need. Good thing about it is it's like fundamentals with stocks. So with stocks, you can look at their books, you can look at their accounts, and you can buy based on that. This is the same sort of thing. You don't need to look at a chart. So once you've done your deep analysis, just like I showed you earlier with the stock to flow chart, you can literally know what's going to happen and just buy the pullback. So right now, me and Joe, we know that Bitcoin is not anywhere near done. It's not even halfway done. We know that. So we've got an algorithm running right now that just buys every dip. That's what it does. It just buys every dip because we know where it's going. And we've looked at the stock to flow chart. This chart I just showed you guys. We've looked at that and we know. Did I share it on here or not? I didn't, did I? Share it in the group. I think I did. Yeah, go on.
Yeah. Look at Link. Yeah, Link's not moving. I think we're gonna get some big moves this afternoon. Like when the US, the
thing is, the problem is it's Friday, bro. It's Friday, and on a Friday, it doesn't really.
Yeah, but I don't think that matters.
Yeah, it might do. We'll see. But yeah, like I was saying, we know when the markets are gonna sort of move.
Yeah,
we know. Let me just share a chart quickly, Joe.
Share it. But this is not a bearish candle. This is, and we still have a lot of time left until the weekly close on.
No, that's just retested support and gone straight through. One sec.
Yeah. So this now looks pretty bullish still, and we have 2.5 days until the weekly candle closes. So still a lot can change, can go down, but I think this will push a lot higher. You have it up, so you want to share it?
Share my screen. Yeah. So guys, this is what I was showing you guys. So obviously it's orange now. Yeah, so we're effectively here. Like it's orange up here where it was orange here. Yeah, it was orange there. Look how much further up it went. So we've got a lot of space to go. This thing can literally go from there all the way up. So this can go from here. Yeah, the price now, that's 35k now, the price, yeah. This can go up to there, which is like 130k. It can go up to there easily. It's breached this line before. Yeah, look, it goes past the line. So this line up here, that's probably 140k, something like that. So we know that price is going up there. Yeah, you can also look at this as well. And you know that once price gets to the top, it has to be red, yeah? So it has to be up here somewhere. So we know, just from looking at that we're bullish. So all we do, me and Joe, we've got a system, a robot that we use, and all it does is buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. And then as soon as this turns green, it starts to go from yellow to green. That's when we'll turn off the robot, because we know that things could get sticky around there. So we'll start to trade manually again. But right now, our systems they're just buying each and every dip. So
I remember you told me yesterday, like, imagine living in America right now and waking up and just buy the fucking dip.
Yeah, exactly. Just buy the dip. That's what you need to do. In the UK, you wake up and the markets just drop. But over in America, it's like you just wake up, buy the dip. That's all. Wake up, buy the dip. Not necessarily in Bitcoin, but in anything else, you know? So we've got an algo right now. Any dip over 20%, it will just buy. So this dip here, it bought that dip. This bit here, it bought that dip. So that's what it does. And it buys it with leverage. So that's what we're doing. But yeah, there's some exciting stuff to come. We've got an algo that we're working on for the bearish market in 2022. So that's going to be good. So if you manage to make, I don't know, if you manage to make 100k or 30k or 50k, and you want to continue to make passive income, then you can use one of our robots, and it will just make you money on the way down as well until the next bull market comes. So yeah, it's pretty decent.
Questions as well, guys, if you have any.
Yeah, if you got any questions, guys, it's been an hour. So if you got any questions?
Oh, shit. I don't have a question. I get all my questions answered every day.
Yeah.
Every day.
So how many people's on there, Joe?
Right about now it's 4, but we've been kind of up and down.
Oh, okay, cool. If anyone's obviously watching this after the recording, if they're not watching it live, don't forget to click on the Discord. Yeah, Discord link. Click on that. Subscribe to the channel, like it, share it with your friends, share it in the group chat, all that stuff. If you've got any requests, you want us to look at certain coins or do a bit of fundamental research, let us know. As I said, guys, don't. We only trade projects that are in Binance, just for like risk management reasons. Like, I don't want to use all these other fucking brokers and shit. So if it's on Binance, we'll look at it.
So I've been in this project for forever, but BTC, like I think I was buying down here or something on this candle, flying around just for 2 weeks. Then now pushed up nicely in the start of the week, and then obviously like yesterday it came down again. Now we are looking to break out of this zone, and my target for this, guys, is I want to take profits up here somewhere around that. And you remember we talked a lot about that, like the 2017 stuff, when we were just holding Ripple, buying Ripple at 20 cents, holding it, and we were thinking, okay, looking at beach properties in Thailand and in Florida, like you thought you were going to be a billionaire.
Ripple, I've still got.
You didn't take any profit, man. None profit taken.
Yeah, I've got a friend who's so fucking pro XRP. Like,
still,
bro, he's in this group. Yeah, he's in one of these groups, these QAnon groups, and it's like he's in one of these groups, like this pro-Trump cryptocurrency XRP group. Yeah. So they're in the group. They're like, yeah, buy XRP. Yeah, XRP went from 20 cents. I remember a couple of months ago, it went from 20 cents to like 70 cents. I saw the sharp move and I thought, fuck, I come out at 63 cents. Yeah. So I come out. Next thing now, he's still holding it. I said to him, come out of Ripple. Yeah, because you can't trust it. There's other coins that you can get in and make money. Use other coins. He was like, nah, I'm holding. I'm buying more. Yesterday now, Coinbase disabled Ripple wallets. So now you can't sell your Ripple now. So now his money's tied up there.
Stuck. And if it's pro-Trump and pro-XRP, he's taking some beating lately.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I said to you. That's what I say. He's pro-Trump, pro-XRP, and he's fucked because the market is actually flying now. He could have got that money and put it into Link, but he didn't bother.
Yeah, I puke every time I see a XRP chart because it just reminds me of not selling my XRP.
Yeah,
I'm doing this differently now. I'm buying, selling, and I think like to be able to.
I haven't even got it on my watch list, bro. I don't even put it on my watch list. I fucking hate XRP now.
I think maybe it could be still. No, I don't have it either.
It's actually going. The problem is, it's actually got a nice little candle, a daily candle there. So I think it is actually going to go. You know that.
Could do. I like this one as well.
Yeah.
This has been around for like forever. Remember it?
Tron.
ZRX?
Tron.
Nah, ZRX.
Oh, ZRX. Oh, yeah. That's good. Yeah. I don't trade that. Yeah.
So.
Yeah. All right, Joe, listen, let's wrap it up. I'm going to.
Yeah.
Anyone's got any questions, send them in the Discord.
Or now is the time to send it. Probably could get that. Probably.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Just look on the monthly. That's a daily. Weekly as well. Yeah, nah, maybe that's too steep. I don't know.
Yeah. Fuck that, bro. There's better opportunities out there. There's better opportunities out there, bro. Like, there's not even need to look at that.
Like this one. Different beasts.
Yeah, exactly. There's better opportunities out there. That's what I was saying to my friend. I said, listen, you can try and be, what do you want to be? Do you want to make money or do you want to be right?
Yeah.
He wants to be right and be an XRP. Just because XRP was the coin 4 years ago doesn't mean it's the coin anymore. Forget about that coin. Do you know what I mean? Forget about it. But yeah, that's it, mate. That's it for today.
I don't have anything else to share unless somebody's asking something. But I think that's about it. This is the Siemens stock. hydrogen storage company.
Yeah, I went through all of these a minute ago, Joe, when you were gone.
Yeah, I was gone. That's true.
Oh yeah, he was gone.
BTC not pushing as much as the other ones. That's a good thing, as long as we like to trade the shitcoin versus the Bitcoin.
Yeah, exactly. So we got to we don't, in theory, we just want Bitcoin to just to range. We don't want Bitcoin to be going long. We want Bitcoin to just do fuck all.
In theory, if we could get like just something like this going on, just ranging would be perfect.
Yeah, exactly that. That's what we want. We want a Bitcoin to move sideways, and we want all the altcoins to go long.
And then we want this one to I don't know, man, do like this. Probably much to hope for, but that could happen.
That's gonna break this. Give it 1 or 2 weeks, that'll break.
It was this one I was looking at that's gonna break now.
Yeah. Right, what's going on?
Right, should we leave this stuff?
Yeah, guys.
At the weekend.
Join the Discord. Join the Discord. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video, and we'll see you guys next time.
In those cool like guys who really do it big at YouTube, who like has this subscribe and they like point down to the bottom. We don't have that, but
yeah, we ain't got that.
Ain't gonna happen, I guess.
Not yet, mate.
Okay, everybody have a nice weekend.
Well, see you later, guys.
You as well, mate. Enjoy your weekend.